I didn't know what was going to be the cover. So, you know, I wasn't told this is going to be a cover outfit, so I couldn't give it my all only in that. I had to give it my all in every shot. Which went on for about like 5 hours, 6 hours at least. So it was really lots of fun, as I said. We got to do different looks. The makeup essentially remained the same, the dark eyes, but the looks, the hairstyles kept changing, the accessories kept changing, the outfits kept changing. So it's very interesting because keeping one constant look and just different hairdos is difficult to manage with sometimes, but it was really interesting and I had lots of fun. Alia Bhatt was not fashion conscious before she met Karan Johar. After meeting Karan Johar, she became fashion conscious. It's not changed really, you know, I'm just very excited to work more and more after this, you know, like, except for the fact that, you know, you get recognized a couple of times and except for the fact that I'm not working with Karan, Varun and Siddharth anymore, that's the only difference, but it just makes me more excited to work even more after seeing the film. Actually, my sister Pooja just mentioned that if she ever remade Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi, she would want to do it with me and Ranbir, as I just said, he's a youth icon. But nothing of that is happening. She just mentioned it. Nothing like that is happening right now. It was a lot of fun actually. Being at the Marrakesh Film Festival just made me feel how lucky I was to be on that podium with so many of the biggest stars of our country. It was a great actually privilege that three of us had to be there because of obviously Karan Johar. We got to see Catherine Deneuve right in front of us, Monica Bellucci sitting right in front of us, the greatest French actor. So it was a you know, great privilege for us to be there, and it was actually very shocking for us to know how famous Bollywood is internationally. I mean, they were all screaming, Karan, we love you, Shah Rukh, everything. They were just going mad. I mean, obviously they are very big internationally, but it was just, we didn't know that our films are so out there, even in Marrakesh, Morocco. So it was lots of fun. It was something that I would love to do again.